Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Ashley. I am one of the guides who works for Miami Culinary Tours. You might recognize me bringing through the streets of Little Havana, South Beach, or Wynwood. But like many of you all watching, I have not been working for a little while. And so I've been using this time to be with my family, stay home, of course, stay safe. And I've had a little bit of extra time on my hands. So when I'm not running after my little girl, I usually like to spend that time doing things that I love. Something I love to do is cook. And so lately I have been trying new recipes. I've been making things I've never made before and baking as well. And so my husband's been very happy and it has put a couple inches on both of our waistlines, but that's totally okay. But lately it has been so hot here in Miami and I've been craving something more light and refreshing and healthy. And so I wanted to share with you one of my favorite cold salad recipes. This is something I learned from my mom years ago. I need something easy to make for a potluck, but ever since then, I do it for barbecues, parties, and it's become a summer staple in my home. It doesn't have an official name, but we'll call it my summer black bean fiesta salad. So let's get started. So super simple recipe, definitely for beginners. You're gonna need a cutting board, a knife, a strainer, and the bowl that you're gonna put your salad in. For ingredients, you're gonna need a can of black beans. You're gonna rinse them, you're gonna strain them. Do this in the beginning so most of the liquid can be out of the dish. A whole cucumber, a half a red onion. I like to use red onion because it's a little bit more mild since we'll be eating it raw. A whole pepper, yellow, green, the small little sweet peppers, whatever you have in your refrigerator. I like to use the red one though because it brings a little color to the dish. 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. So however many limes you need to make 3 tablespoons. I like spice. We will put some jalapenos into the dish. I'm gonna put about 2. I will take out the seeds and the membranes because that's where most of the heat is. If you don't like spice though, completely take them out. If you like a lot of spice, add some more. We will use some fresh cilantro. We're going to add a little bit of rice wine vinegar. I like the seasoned one, it's a little sweeter. Don't have it, apple cider, red wine, totally works. A little sugar, and also some salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this all up into small little cubes. So I love to add a little sweet pop to the salad. I've used pineapple, I've also used corn, but I had some mangoes on hand, so I wanted to incorporate them. I'm so excited because the best part of a Miami summer is that it's mango season. The season ranges between May and October. It started a little bit earlier this year, but we have hundreds of different varieties that grow here in South Florida. They range in shape, in size, they even range in flavor. Some are spicy, some are sweeter. They have hints of coconut and lemon, orange, peach. So I'm very excited, and nearly every backyard will have a mango tree here in the area. And so I walk my little girl around the block a couple times and we come home with mangoes. She's like my little mango bandit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. So now we're gonna combine everything together. I have that mango inside of here. We will add our black beans, red pepper, cucumber. So it's all mixed up, it looks beautiful. And you want to wrap it up, throw it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and it'll be ready to eat. So after a couple hours in the refrigerator, everything is marinated together, and look at those colors. This will brighten up any dish. You can eat it with some grilled shrimp or chicken or fish as a side dish with some chips as well, however you like. It is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe and it becomes your new summer staple. But until I see you next time, be safe and please be well.